Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Laetitia Gunton and I'm the Chadwick Biodiversity Fellow at the Australian Museum. I've been working at the museum for nearly 2 years. It will be 2 years in October, and I work in the Marine Invertebrates Department. So I'm a researcher and I study worms. I'm particularly interested in annelid worms, and annelid worms are segmented worms, and you can find them on land and in the sea and in water, and you can find them from shallow waters down to the deep sea. And it's the deep sea worms that I'm particularly interested in. So I study their morphology, which is their shape, their form and their structure. And I also study their genetics. So I look at their DNA, try and understand which worms are more closely related to other worms and understand their genetic diversity. In 2017, the Australian research vessel, the Investigator, went on an expedition from Tasmania up to southern Queensland. And on that expedition, they sampled the deep sea and got lots of biological material. The worms from that material were sent to the Australian Museum, where they were registered, and I then went through them and sorted them into groups. I then sent those groups to taxonomic specialists all around the world, and they're now working on their species descriptions and took lots of photographs for me. And now if they've sent me that information, I'm now compiling it into one very large manuscript, scientific, that will be published in the Scientific Journal. And that manuscript will contain all the records of annelids from the deep sea off the east coast of Australia. And this will be really important for future studies on the area. It's been really large collaborative projects. So I'm working at the moment with people from London, Germany, France, Russia, Spain, China, Japan, Italy, Poland. And it's been really nice being able to check in with everyone from all around the world and see how they're getting on. My main piece of advice for people working at home during this period is to do one piece of exercise a day. So whether it's inside or outside, if you just do one piece of exercise, then you'll feel much better after it. And then you can come back and do loads more work. Okay, bye.